In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix error code 268 on Roblox on PC. So, the first thing you can do is turn off your Roblox hacks and cheats. Now, this error is primarily triggered when cheating is detected, so you have to close whichever cheat software you're running in case you are, and then restart your computer and open Roblox yet again. Now, the second one is to restart your computer. Yes, it's cliche, but a quick restart could get your Roblox working again after the error code. The third option is to log into Roblox on a different device. So if you keep getting the error code 268, you want to open up your Roblox on another phone, tablet, computer, whatever, and see if this issue is software related or if there's something wrong with your account. So the fourth option is to appeal your Roblox ban. Now, if you can't log into Roblox on any device, your account has likely been banned. To fix this, you have to visit the official Roblox support page and then select type of category, type of help category, moderation, and then appeal account. So the fifth option is to connect to a faster internet connection. Now, if you're using Wi-Fi, you may want to try and connect to the Ethernet, so the cable, and this may fix your issue. The sixth option is to turn off your antivirus. Now, antivirus apps have been known to interfere with the Roblox video game connecting to its servers properly. In case you have a VPN enabled as well, you may want to turn off that too, because Roblox's anti-cheat detection system could misinterpret your VPN as related to hack or cheat. Then the eighth option is to reinstall Roblox. You want to uninstall and reinstall the game to see if this fixes the error code 268 issue. Now the ninth option is to try a different version of Roblox. Now if you're using the Microsoft Store Roblox app, try downloading the game from the Roblox website and running that version. If you are already trying that version, give the Microsoft Store app a go. So both those versions are basically identical because their backend is a bit different, and it can cause the error code 268 to appear when things don't run perfectly. Then, 10th option, so number 10, is to delete Windows' temporary files. This process can both free up disk space and fix program errors, and that's how you do it. You want to press Windows plus R key on your keyboard, so Windows plus R, and then this run option, this run window pops up. And here you want to type %temp% and OK, and this will open up your temporary files. What you want to do is press Ctrl and A, so everything gets selected, and then you simply want to click delete up here, and it will delete all your temporary files. That's how you do this. And then another one is to add Roblox as security exception. What you want to do is open App and Browser Protections in Windows Security, and then select Manage Settings, add or remove exclusions, and then add an exclusion and add Roblox as an exception. Now, the 12th option is to disable Windows Security. Now, that's also an option that works for some people, however, it's just in case nothing else worked, do this. Then, option 13 is to flush your DNS cache. Now, the way you do this is by opening up command prompt. So you go to search down here in Windows, type in CMD, and open it up. In here, you want to type /flush DNS, and you want to press enter, and this will flush your DNS cache. Now, this can improve online gameplay in several titles, not just in your Roblox game. And the last option is to change your DNS server. Now, sometimes your computer's DNS server and IP address can cause Roblox connectivity issues, and that's what you can do. So just Google how to do this depending on your DNS. And yeah, I hope any of these 14 tips worked for you, and I hope your error has been resolved.